The AmmA Centre have been working with Declan Carville on this project for up on 3 years. Last summer we trialled the project. We decided we wanted to take a transition focus with P7 children because the teachers that we've been working with indicated that that was an area that needed support.
We're here today working with the children using Nellie Fandango as a resource in the classroom. Nellie's a story about a little girl who works in a tea shop, and she experiences the same range of emotions and feelings that are possibly being felt by young people moving from P7 on to the next school.
Transition for our primary sevens is where they're approaching the last 6 weeks in primary school, and it's that changeover between primary to post-primary. Through the story, children can relate to the characters within the story. They can place themselves in the position of the characters, and they all feel the same feelings.
The book related to me, like we're going in secondary school, so that'll be a big jump for us. Like how Nellie went from looking inside to working in there, and going from being in the kitchen to being like a waitress.
I heavily relate to the change part, and that she went through many changes, and we have to go through the change of secondary school from primary school, which is a big jump from not many people to lots of people.
Transition is simply when primary school students move from P7 into big school, so it can be a very anxious time for some students and they don't know what they're getting into, which is why we felt that there was a demand and a need to address this. But we do it in a way that connects directly with the curriculum, and behind it all there's creativity, there's animation and there's storytelling, all things that are high up on the priorities of Northern Ireland Screen.
The programme really came about through working in conjunction with AmmA, and it wouldn't really have been possible without the funding provided by AmmA and NI Screen. And I always make a point when I go into the classroom of saying to the children, while I'm in the room talking about writing and illustration, to keep their minds open to the idea of anything to do with creativity and all those different disciplines, be it music or acting or drama, dance. So their minds are open to not only the themes which the story addresses, but all those other windows which open up at the same time.
My name's Kate and I'm 11, and before this happened I thought being an author would be like really boring, but I don't really think that after this.
My name's Georgia, and I learned, like, it's hard to explain, but always follow your dreams.
The programme was very successful last year. This year we've completely ramped it up, and in term 3 alone we've reached 52 schools, around 100 classes, 2,000 plus students. And I suppose the key point here is that we haven't been asked to go out and address transition as a priority, but we've done that, and we believe we've a very successful programme here that we would like to continue into the future.